Now I'm in Tabriz, which is one of the supermarket chains in the south of Russia. If you think that Russian supermarkets look like this, you might be surprised. Let's go and I'll show you how they really are. This is the wine aisle. We have a lot of different Russian wines. We're in Krasnodar region, which is the main wine region of Russia. We still have Crimean and Georgian wines, which are not far away. Strangely enough, Russian wines are often much more expensive than imported ones. Let's check the prices. Let's go to the dairy section. In Russia, they use a lot of fermented dairy products. Here is kefir, tan, mazzoni, snezhok, like really big variety of products. This is smetana, which is a bit like sour cream, and we put it practically on everything. There are three things I miss living in Italy. Sirki, especially coconut sirok, then tvarog, which is a bit like cottage cheese, but it's still different. Actually, sirok is like cottage cheese or ricotta covered with chocolate. And the last one is smetana, which is panacida or sour cream. Oh, another thing crazy about is zefir, especially this one. It's like egg white and apple puree. You have apple taste, you have coffee taste, orange. This is buckwheat, which can be eaten for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Porridge, I'll take this. Pasta, well, from normal one like Barilla. Oh, it's a nice package, but the price is outrageous. See, it could be me, but 20 bucks for a box of pasta, it's too much. They're crazy. Salted cucumbers, which taste different from pickles. Pickles here. Pickles are small one, and salted cucumbers, I love this more. Salted tomatoes, I love them. Honey with nuts, still honey with nuts. It's a nice idea for present. Speck, doesn't look like speck actually. Salad. Oh, this is nice. Gusto amaretto. Buoni. Actually, the price is triple. I bought one before departure and it was $6. Here it's 16. So I will wait to go back to Italy to eat them. Maiani. Even tortellini. Traditional dish from Bologna. Nice. Fiat. These are good. Anche gianduiotti. Okay, well, here we have pelmeni, which are like filled pasta, usually with meat, different kinds of pelmeni. And then we have vareniki, which I can't see here, maybe in our fridge. Here, vareniki. It's like ravioli, and they are filled with these potatoes and mushrooms, just potatoes. Oh, sometimes there is like with sweet ones, with cheese, still cheese, or with cherry or black cherry, and with cottage cheese as well. We still have real Coke, looks like. Real Coke, and then fake Coke. Okay, and then we have this, which is another fake Coke. And then this cola and another fake Coke. We still have Lay's here. Actually, it's like crab Lay's, one of my favorites. Red fish, salmon. I like it.
Yeah, I'm laughing at it because it's funny.
It's funny.
Bolt. What is the name of this?
I've never seen that before. Vodka уровня мастер. It's nice.
68.
I don't know if it's tasty. I mean tasty. If it's good, it's vodka. But it's nice.
They should call it Bolt.
Bolt.
Or how do you say it?
Linseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, every kind of oil. Let's see, still extra virgin olive oil costs a lot, so you have to pay. In Russia, people usually use sunflower and corn oil. They put it in salads and everything. Oh, even grated parmesan. Let's see, made in Russia. Okay, parmesan made in Russia. I will not buy that.
Thanks for watching! Were surprised by the variety of products? Leave your comments below. Catch you next time!